Hello, and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Did you know that you can suppress DimXpert MBD PMI so that checkmate measurements will not be created for it? It could be for an engineering change not yet implemented, or even just a change of mind regarding what the quality lab needs to inspect. Let me show you. The part that I have open has some MBD on it. The MBD even has SolidWorks balloon numbers on it. Now first, let's generate all the measurements as defined by the MBD PMI. Checkmate created the measurements and output tolerances for all 13 balloon items. If there is PMI that we don't want Checkmate to process, we simply go to the DimXpert tree, right-click on the PMI, and suppress it. Let's suppress ballooned items 7 and 8. Once suppressed, the PMI is also invisible in the graphics area. Now, let's generate a new set of measurements. Looking at the resulting Checkmate program, you will see that the hole is not measured, nor is its ballooned items 7 and 8 being reported. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.